HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. But so far we've only done plain text, and where's the hyper part of it? And you could say, Jen, you're really hyper, but that's not what we're looking for. What we want are links. Give me links. Link me. Links are done with the A tag. And you may be going, link? Shouldn't it be the L tag? Well, there is a link tag. We're not going to go into that because that would be very confusing. Instead, we're just going to go into the A tag. This is how you make a link. You type A. Another word you're not going to recognize, href. Don't worry about what it means. Just remember that's where you're going to type where you want people to go when they click your link. So in other words, the URL. You've got a web page URL, and you should always start your links in the href with HTTP. There's other ways you can do it, but if you're linking directly to a web page, that's the smartest thing to do, is to start with that HTTP. And I forgot the // so I'll go back and add that. And then my link href is inside quotes. Don't use curly quotes. Word likes to use curly quotes for everything, make them all fancy and pretty, and those don't work in HTML. You have to use straight quotes. If you're using a text editor, it's not going to be a problem. Something to keep in mind. Close your tags so that you have a href, the URL inside the href attribute, and then you want to add your link, and then you want to close it where you want your link to close. And you close it the way you close any tag, with the /a. Then if we preview, now we have a link. There's the blue text with the underline, just like you're used to seeing with every link. So links are actually really easy to use. The main thing you have to remember is href, which, what the heck does href mean? Who knows? But that's where you put your URL, right there inside the href equals. This is called an attribute. It is an attribute of the A tag. And so you can then go to a web browser. So we'll save the page, and then we'll preview in Safari. And this time we have our link, and if we click on the link, it loads the page. And so we can click back, and there's our web page, and we have our link. So now you have created a hypertext markup language web page, or HTML.